So let us take our Primus Bank application. Okay. In this Primus Bank application, just I don't give any username and password. I'll just directly click on login button. Okay. And I want to capture this alert message first. Whatever message we are getting in that alert, I want to retrieve this text. And then I want to accept this alert. Okay. How you write that? September 8. Alert 1. Main method, finish of it. So I'm taking Firefox better because Firefox gives very good alert windows. WebDriver, some driver is equal to new Firefox. I think Firefox also working for all of you guys, I think. Right? Firefox driver and launch URL driver dot get method. URL will be specified. And especially for Firefox, no need to maximize because Firefox always opens in a maximize window, right? Now, let us suspend tool for 5 seconds for observation, thread.sleep for about 5000 milliseconds. Okay. And what I want, first click on login button without filling username and password. Just I want to show how to get that alert window. Okay. It's a login, click login is a button is available in a web page, so we can locate it. Okay. So driver dot find element by dot name value dot click. Okay, na? So right click on this, inspect element. Name is equal to, copy this value and paste here. Okay, na? Yes. Now, what is the requirement? When you click on that, what happens? It will be prompting you alert message. Am I right or not? When I click on login without username and password. Now I want to retrieve or capture this alert text. This alert text is not in a web page. This alert text we are getting in a pop-up window. I told you yesterday, don't consider everything is a pop-up. How do you confirm it's a pop-up means? When you're unable to inspect, see that. When you're unable to right click here and when you don't see inspect option, then 100% it's a window. Sometimes in some other applications, we get some windows, don't expect everything is alert. Okay. So how to get that alert message? Capture alert to text. Alert text using which method here? Yesterday, what that method I told you to use? Anywhere. It's a visible text or not? So what is the method we should use here? What is the method we use to capture alert message? Get text only. But how to get that? Is it in a web page? No. How to get into that? Driver dot. Come on, guys. Driver dot.
Switch to.
Yes, switch to. Why are saying switch to? Because it is not in a web page. We are asking Selenium. Switch to means what? Moving to. Okay. Switch to dot. Where to switch? Alert.
Alert. Yes.
Then get that message. Get text method. Okay. So print that. Store into one variable better. String alert text is equal to. Okay. Print that alert text. And wait for 5 more seconds again. Suspend tool again for 5 seconds. And I want to accept that alert. Accept alert. accept that alert. Driver dot switch to dot alert dot the method what we use accept method. Okay, you are confirming that alert. Again, wait for 5 seconds and close my browser. Driver dot close. Okay, add your super class throwable. Okay, try to define that URL and let's see whether it is able to handle in runtime. See, if you don't handle alert, what will happen? You know, all of you guys, what will happen here? You know, we can't proceed further execution. We can't go for further execution. It will be interrupted. So to avoid that, compulsory we need to handle them. Here we are learning topic to topic, real time, in any framework. If we have any chance, we can apply these methods. No restrictions at all. This alert we got, right? Now what we ask first, Selenium, get that alert message and accept that alert message and it will print to you. And then close the browser, right? So where is that message? See that? This is a message we are getting. Please fill in the following field, user ID, password. So confirmation. Oh, we missed over there. One way. Suppose some people asking, sir, how can I handle if you have cancel button, how to click cancel button? If you have OK button, how to click OK button? In our premise bank, we have very good options. See, we can log into this application. First, write down for login. Alert 2. Okay. So again, these things are commonly we write. Okay, na? What to do first? We have to log in. Login is a WebDriver code. Driver dot find element by dot name locator dot send keys. We'll send valid username admin and send your password also. Password, and then we have to click on login button. Dot click. Right? So as soon as you log into your application, let me show you. Name is equal to txt uid. Per password, name is equal to, sorry, inspect correctly. Name is equal to, right click on it, inspect here. Name is equal to txt password, and for button, name is equal to login. Okay, na? So after you log in, ask tool to wait for few seconds, no problem. See, after you log in our premise bank, we need to delete a branch. I want delete a branch. Okay, for deleting a branch, we have to click on branches. Yes or no? So next step is click on branches. You click on branches also web page, right? So driver dot find element by dot xpath value dot click. Again for your observation, again suspend tool for about 5 seconds. How do you copy direct XPath? Anybody? I want to copy this direct XPath, these branches. Inspect that first. How to copy direct XPath here? What I told you? So right click here. Okay, right click here itself. Right click on this. Copy XPath. We can also copy direct XPath from Firefox, Chrome, anywhere. Okay, na? Copy from Firefox, no problem. So it may take absolute XPath or see that it has taken absolute XPath. Not a problem. Okay, you can copy direct XPath also, no problem. After clicking branches, I need to click on delete button. So observe all of you. When I click on delete button first time, it will be giving you confirmation window, right? See, OK, cancel, two options we have. First time, I want to capture this alert message and I want to cancel it. I don't want to confirm. First, I want to cancel it. Okay. So what Selenium has to do? It has to dismiss. Yes or no? Cancel means we have to go for dismiss. Again, second time, again click on delete button. Capture this error message again, alert message, and accept it. When you accept it, again we get one more pop-up. Get this alert message and again accept it. And just here I want to show you how you accept and dismiss also will be done. How you can go with accept and dismiss. That is my intention. Okay, na? That's what do you understand, all of you guys? What I'm trying to do that? What to do after getting this details page? What to do after getting this details page? Click on delete button. Okay, na? How to click delete button? Driver dot find element by dot take XPath value. What do you want? Dot click. Copy direct XPath. How to copy direct XPath? Right click on delete button. Inspect. Come on, guys. How do you copy that? Again, and the border or yellow color, blue color. Right click that again. Copy XPath. Copy that XPath and paste here. It copies absolute. How do you know it's absolute XPath? Anybody? How do you know it's absolute XPath? How do you know it is absolute XPath?
It's starting from root nodes.
It started with single forward slash. You should identify here. I should identify which is absolute XPath, which is related XPath. If it is taking single forward slash, you have to understand absolute XPath. Always it will be lengthy XPath. Remember, all of you. And always start with single forward. Okay, na? So after clicking delete button, again I want to suspend tool for 5 seconds. When you click delete button, what you're getting here? You're getting alert message. You're getting alert window or not?
Yes.
What do you want to do? Capture alert text from that window. Come on. How to get that alert window? Come on. Get that alert text. String alert text 1 is equal to. Locate now. Come on. Driver dot
Switch to
yes. Switch to dot
alert
dot
get text.
It's a common method. Anywhere you go, common method is get text here. So print that first message. After getting that alert, what I told you, Selenium has to dismiss it, right? It has to dismiss it. So to dismiss, we have to click on cancel button. What is the method we use for canceling that window? Click on cancel button. Driver dot switch to dot alert to dot dismiss. There's no cancel method. Dismiss. I told you 4 methods we have here.
Yes, sir.
Get text to, accept to, dismiss to, send keys. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now after dismissing, again for my understanding, let me wait again for 5 more seconds. Again Selenium has to click on delete button. Yes or no? Second time. In second time, we are confirming it. First time, we are dismissing it. Second time, we are confirming it. Yes or no? Again, get that alert text. Capture that alert text again. Second time, let us give us alert. Are you understanding, all of you guys? Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Alert 2. Second time, what we want? Yes, now you got alert message again. It captures the alert message. What do you want? Now you want to accept or dismiss again?
Accept.
Accept alert text again. How to accept? Driver dot switch to dot
Switch to dot.
alert to dot
Alert dot.
Accept.
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 Accept, sir.
Again, suspend tool for 5 more seconds. Next, after say, when you say OK button, again we get one more window. See that? Deleted successfully. Capture this message again. Capture that alert message again. Capture alert text again. Get that? String, store into one variable. It's a string alert text 3. 3 is equal to driver dot switch to dot alert to dot
Dot get text.
get text.
Get text.
Okay, print that text for us. System dot out dot alert to text again. Alert to text 3. Again, wait for 5 seconds. Again, wait for 5 seconds for observation. Again, accept that alert. You should accept it, compulsory. Don't dismiss it. Accept that alert. After accepting, again, wait for 5 seconds. And then kill my browser. Driver dot close. You understand? Here I'm showing you. Here I'm showing what is my intention to show you this way is just I want to show you how to accept, how to dismiss that alert window. Let me check it out. It log in. See, now click on branches. Observe all of you, observe here. And then click on delete button.
Delete.
Here what we are asking, capture the alert message and dismiss it. It will dismiss. See, now it got dismissed. Again, second time, again click on the same delete button. Second time, we are accepting that alert window.
Yeah.
Means accept me, click OK button, meaning. Now, again, capture this message. Again, accept that. It's like that. So, when you get such kind of alerts during runtime, we should be in a position of handling it. Wait for 5 seconds and it will be displaying the messages to you. See that. First time, are you sure you want to delete this record? We are not accepting. Second time again, we are getting that alert. And second time we accepted. So that we got deleted successful
Deleted
message.
successfully.
And we
Yeah.
close it. Okay. Like that we can handle. Suppose, like again, I'm going to show you again my own HTML page. Suppose, drop down, prompt. This is my own HTML page again. Say for example, I'm clicking on click on me button. Observe all of you. See, here it's providing a text box in a pop-up window. See that? We can't inspect it. See that? Is it possible to inspect this text box? No. Why?
No.
Because it is not related to web page. It is a window. So what is my requirement? I want to send some value in this text box. Say for example, I'm sending my name, Akhilesh, Selenium, not me. And then accept this. And it will be showing the message. Hello Akhilesh, welcome to QH text. I want to capture this message in the browser and close it. My intention is how to send a value in pop-up text box I want to show you. Okay guys, let me check it out. Alert 3. Select your main method again. Finish off it. If you go with the number of examples, then you get clarity here. Then only, I don't know how many of you are practicing. Going on, all of you. Huh? Lata, 45525, Arjun, Gauri, Joshna, Nagaraj, Gupta, Priyankas, 2 Priyankas, 12. Going on, are you practicing all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See,
Yes, sir.
if you don't practice, may God bless you. I can't do anything. Huh? Keep on practicing here. Have a time. Now it's a COVID time. Huh? Right time to practice, right time to get subject. Once we are clear with the COVID, then we'll be busy with moving to high-tech city, Gachibowli, Madhapur for job searching. Soon we'll get that chance. Wait. Web driver, some object driver is equal to new. I'm using Firefox. Why is easy? We get easy methods here. Firefox driver. Driver dot get method. Specify your URL and suspend tool for 5 seconds. Thread dot sleep for about 5000 milliseconds. Okay, na? Now, what do you want? First, we want to click on me. Click on me button is in a web page only. Click on me button is in a web page, right? So we need to locate in web page. So click on me button. For that, driver dot find element by dot xpath value dot click. Okay, right click on this, inspect element, direct xpath, copy direct xpath. Right click on this, copy xpath. In especially Firefox, we can copy direct xpath very easier. By default, it takes absolute only, don't worry. Okay, after that, again, I want to suspend my tool for about 5 seconds again. Once I click on me button, you'll get this pop-up, right? First, capture this alert message for your understanding purpose. Get alert text. Get that alert text. Again, string alert text is equal to define any object, okay? Is equal to driver dot switch to dot alert dot
Get
get
text.
text. Okay, print the text for our understanding. Print the text, alert text. Okay, again suspend tool for about 5 seconds. Suspending, why are suspending means wantedly to observation. Now Selenium has to enter some value in this text box, right? So enter some text into alert text box. For that, if it is in web page, we know how to enter driver dot find element by dot xpath id name, and then we give send keys, right? But the text box is not in web page. The text box is in a window. Yeah, in a pop-up window. So what we say for that, driver dot switch to dot alert to dot send keys. So send your key, send your data, whichever you want to send that data. Okay, after sending the data, again wait for 5 seconds, no problem. After entering that, whatever you're entering over here, when I click on OK button, we have to accept it now, right? So accept that. Accept alert driver dot switch to dot alert dot accept. Again wait for 5 seconds. See that, all of you. When I click on accept over here, we get the text here. See that, I want to capture this text. Now this text is not in a pop-up window. It is available in a web page. So we can locate this text. Am I right or not? So capture
find element.
Yes. Capture message. Message from where? From web page. From web page. Anywhere. Method is common method. Get text only, right? So again store into one variable string. Message is equal to driver dot find element by dot xpath. I'll take xpath value dot get text method. get text method. So print that text for us, system.out.message. And finally, after getting that message, finally wait for 5 seconds and then kill my browser. Driver.quit or close. No problem. Okay. Add your superclass for this.
For class.
Throws, throwable. Okay. So try to specify URL again. I told you this is my own HTML here. I will forward your emails, download in your system, open in a browser, copy that path and paste here. Don't follow my paths. Okay, na? Let me check it out. Sorry. We forgot to define the X path here, right? For this message. So right click on this message, inspect element, right click on that again, copy X path. It's having ID, we can go with ID also, no problem. We can copy X path better. Okay, na? Copy X path. If you have any problem with X path, please go with ID for that. Okay, message. You should right click on that message, error message, what we are getting. Now see, first click on me button. Yes, it clicked on it. And we asked to capture that message. It will capture it. And then we have to send to, and we asked to Selenium to send some value in the text box. Akhilesh, sending. And accept that. Now we got that message again. Capture that message and close the browser. So, welcome. Hello, Akhilesh. Welcome to QH. And before we got, hi, please enter your name. Okay. So like that, whenever we have alert windows, we should be able to handle them. Okay, na? So that's how we can handle any alert windows we get. Next topic is how to handle multiple windows. How to handle multiple windows. Nowadays, all of you know that most of the web applications have many frames, multiple windows. Up to now, we are working on single window. Up to now, today, we are working on single window. Suppose that too, remember all of you, by default, Selenium will always have control to parent window, which is loaded by Selenium. Suppose if I open any Chrome here, see, this is my current window here. Whatever, suppose I'm opening Facebook via Selenium. By default, Selenium will have control to this Facebook window only, parent window. This is called parent window. And you are clicking on create new account. In this page, same, again same window, not different window. When I click on terms, observe all of you, when I click on terms, it's navigating that terms URL in one more window. Look at that. But still Selenium will have control to which window? Parent window. Still, unless you say switch, it can't go to this window and do some testing. Nowadays, we find applications like this. Every time, we don't want test in a single window. But how can we give control? Unless we give control, it can't move that. So in that situation, how we handle that multiple, how to switch to multiple windows, how to test on that window, how to come back to that window, switching among, again, switch to again method. For that, we need to some basic explanation. See that. Some web applications have many frames or multiple windows. Selenium WebDriver, observe that, assigns an alphanumeric ID to each window as soon as WebDriver object is initiated. Initiated means what? When you're creating one object, WebDriver object, how many windows are opened by Selenium? Not by you, remember, Selenium. By default, Selenium itself will maintain one ID. One ID for this window, one ID for this window also. This window ID will be different. This window ID will be different. Uniquely will be defined by Selenium, not by developer, by Selenium itself. So that unique ID is called what? Alphanumeric is called what? Window handle. Selenium uses this unique ID to switch control among several windows. That's one of the good advantage we have. With help of that window, with help of that IDs, whatever IDs generated by Selenium, we can switch among multiple windows. So that Selenium can differentiate when it's switching control among one window to other window. Okay? And first three methods, simple methods we have to learn here. See that. First method is get window handle. What is the purpose of this get window handle method? Get window handle methods always returns. It always returns the current loaded window, parent window ID. I repeat again. Whenever you want return, currently loaded window currently means nothing but parent only, right? Currently loaded window by Selenium. Then take help of the method called as get window handle, and that window handle is string type only. Remember that alpha numeric ID combination. Look at that, alphabets and numerics, right? So store into one variable and you can store it that value. No. What are the windows are opened by Selenium? More than one window, 1, 2, some number of windows we open. How do you capture multiple window IDs? Means collection of windows again. If I want to get collection of windows, then we have to go with one more method called as get window handles. It's that plural singular. Get window handle to handle single window, parent window. Means not handling, getting that window ID. Here we get collection of windows. Here to get that collection of windows, remember all of you guys, again we are going to use one more interface called set interface. List interface we discussed already. Integer values, we can go for list interface. But windows are not integers. Am I right or not? Window IDs are not integer type. What they are? Set collection type, string type. Get that collection. Now, whatever windows are opened by Selenium, all the windows will be stored into which variable? The variable which you defined here. If I want to move from window to window, if I want to keep on moving to window, just now we discussed how to move to alert. The same way, if you want to move to window, here we say instead of alert, what we say here? Driver dot, switch to dot, window, and define the window name. Do you understand all of you? Practically we will do it. Then we get clarity.
So window name is nothing but the URL of the window, sir?
Not URL, no URLs. That I'll show you. Wait. IDs. We get IDs. We are getting IDs here. Collection of unique IDs. We are storing that IDs here. That I'll show. Wait. Okay, na? Let's see. First, let's go with simple example. Then we get clarity. Handling windows. Okay. 1. Select your main method. Huh?
What is the main purpose of this handling windows, sir? What is the main purpose of handling these windows, like in the Selenium?
Whenever
like
you
where
want
do we use,
to...
like, how do we use it?
Yes, nowadays most of the web applications, when you click on one link, they are opening and navigating in one more window. Huh? Most of the applications, when you click some links, instead of loading in the same window, they are navigating in other windows, other tabs. Look at that. That's what happened here. In this Facebook application, when you open this Facebook application, when I click on terms, instead of navigating in the same window, it is navigating another window. What your question is, sir, why? If it happened, what happened? Yes, I want to do some testing on this window. But Selenium by default, Selenium will have control to which window by default?
The main window, which
currently loaded
first.
window,
Yeah.
which is currently loaded by Selenium. In that situations, we have to keep on giving control to different windows.
Okay.
Most of the applications are like this nowadays. Okay, let's see how to use them practically. Yes, we are opening our Facebook application. After this, what to do? Click on new account, right? Click on
Driver.get the URL of that.
no. We want to get that new sign in a new account. Create new
Create new
account.
account.
Locate with XPath, no problem. Driver dot find element
Find element.
by dot XPath value dot click. All of you know we can't inspect. All of you know inspect any one of the element here. Open your Chrome path in Chrome.
Search.
Go with Chrome and use this arrow icon and click on that button. Okay, because we can't directly inspect it. Chrome path. Copy this relay text path and paste here. Okay, and suspend for at least 2, 3, 5 seconds, no problem. After that, what is our requirement? As soon as I get my parent window, I want to get parent window ID. How to get parent window ID? That window ID is in what format? Is a string format or not? So let us store into string parent. I'm storing into parent. Parent is equal to, what the method we use? Driver dot get window handle. Is that single window, right? Parent window. Window handle. So let us see what that window ID. Sys out parent. Okay, na? Let's see what that parent window ID. Throwable. After that, what the next step we should do here? Click on terms link. Because if I click on terms, then only it can navigate to one more window, right? Yes or no? Selenium has to click the terms link. Click the terms link, driver dot find element by dot link text. We can take link text because hyperlink only. Dot click. Okay. After clicking this create account, we get this window. In this window, the same window only. I want click on terms. Right click on it, inspect element. Go to Chrome path. Chrome path provides everything to you. Chrome path, copy the link text. Edit. Copy this link text. Let's see. Up to here I'm writing now. First, let us see what is that parent window ID. Let us see what that unique ID. Let me show you what that unique ID. Better to write in Chrome instead of Firefox. Go with Chrome because Chrome gives very good IDs, unique IDs. You can change your class name very easily. Okay, na? Don't worry. This is currently loaded window, Facebook. This window ID, we are capturing it first. And that in this window, we are asking Selenium to click on terms. So that it is unable to click on terms link. We got exception here. Look at that. But anyway, look at that. Alpha numeric ID will be displayed. See that combination of alphabets and numerics. Okay. So why it is not able to click that terms link? Maybe it's not located with the link text. Let us go with XPath. What is there? XPath. What is that XPath? Relate to XPath. Copy that. Paste that XPath here and change locator to XPath. Not only Facebook, we'll see different, but basic, understand the basic thing first. Maximize it, possible maximize it. For Chrome, you have to maximize, basically. Is it about to click that or not? Still, it's not able to click the terms. Exception. What it says? Not element not interactable. Element has 0 size. The problem is after entering maximize it. Driver dot manage dot window dot maximize. Because this element should be visible for Selenium while doing any testing on any element in any web page. And suspending is also very important here because your application will take some time to load. Who knows? Now I think you should click on that. Yes, it's navigating now, right? Now it has opened more than one window. Now, including parent, we got 2 windows. That alpha numeric ID will be in this format here. This ID will be different to window to window. Now, I want to get collection of all windows. Get collection of all windows. We go with
You have to use the
interface.
method. Windows
Interface. We have
handles.
to store into interface. Set. Control space bar. Don't go with a class. Go with Java interface. I'm saying many people are confusing. Don't go with that class. We have to import interface package java.util. What type of data type? I told you it is a string type. Why I'm defining string type? Because window IDs are not in integer type, right? IDs are alpha, so string type. Store into one variable all windows. All windows means which window it, including parent window also it will store, including parent. I want get all window IDs which are loaded by Selenium. Parent plus the child, whatever it has opened. How to get that? Driver dot
Get window
Get.
handles.
so that automatically takes that method. So
Yes.
that get window handle set so and so. Now it will be printing all that window IDs, including parent. It will print or only it will print child.
No, it will take all the windows.
And the windows here, the ID
Because
which is the ID which is printing here will be same in the way that's going to print here also. Will it be same or different? The parent window ID. Here it's printing including parent window, right? 100%. While printing that parent window ID here, the ID what already printed here will be same and this will be same or it will be different.
Same.
I'm asking about parent. I'm asking about parent, not child.
Same only.
It will be same, right? It won't be different. Only what will be different? This child window ID will be, this ID will be different. This ID will be same, compulsory. Okay, na? Let me, I don't know. Let me check it out. Every window, whatever windows are loaded by Selenium, not by you, loaded by Selenium. For every window, by default, Selenium itself will generate one ID, alpha assigns by default. That's an advantage we have. With the help of that ID, we're able to switch among multiple windows. See that? We asked to get that collection window IDs. Look at here. Parent window, initially loaded parent window. Again in collection also we got parent. Both are same or not? Look here, all of you. But what about child window? Is it same? Same? Child window IDs. Look at child window
No,
ID.
sir. No, sir.
Child window ID, parent window, both are same. No.
No,
That's
sir.
different. Where the control is available for Selenium still? May know anybody? Where we have control? Is it having control to parent window or child window?
Parent window.
Ma? Still Selenium has
Parent
control to
window.
parent window
Okay.
only. Still parent. But now I want to give control to this child window and I want click on sign up link. I want to do some testing in this window. Means if it is clicking on sign up link, we can understand that the control has been given to that child window. Here, one thing we should do. Compulsory, when you go with collection of windows, compulsory looping statement should be there for each loop, compulsory. We have to iterate all the windows. Okay? Iterate all the windows for anybody. Tell me data type first. What data type I should use? Anybody? For each loop. Data type, data type. Anybody? Come on. What is the data type I should use for each loop for this iterating the windows? Look, number of times I told you here.
String.
String.
Strings,
Why?
sir, because the window IDs are in string type, like
So,
alphanumeric form.
yes, your collection is in string format. Simple, your array. This is array variable. All windows are array variable here. This is holding string type. What data type you hold? Simply define that. Don't waste your time. String. Store every position. Every position into one variable. Each variable. I'm storing it each variable. Each colon collection. What is that collection? All windows.
All windows.
Now, all of you remember. One thing I can tell you, very simple. This window ID, should not match. Am I right or not? Should match or should not match?
Should
not
match.
match.
So that means, listen careful, all of you. Whenever, see, remember all of you, this each variable is also holding parent ID. Am I right or not? Parent position also. When Selenium
Yes, sir.
has to switch that window, child window, whenever that parent window is not equal to that all windows, parent windows should not equal to all windows, then only it should switch to child window. That means we have to give a condition. What that condition? Parent ID should not equals to what? To child window, child ID. Whenever it is not equal, when it will not be equal, see, first time it will check the iteration here. First ID I1 0. First window will match. It won't switch. Second ID, no 1. Second position is 1, child window. When it is not matching, then it can switch. Give the first, that's what give condition to Selenium. How to give that condition? If not operator, all of you know. If not, which one? If not, parent dot equals to which window?
Child window.
All win.
All windows.
All windows.
All are each, ma.
Okay.
Parent should not be equal to each, not all windows. Each is holding every position.
Yeah.
Don't confuse. Parent is nothing but parent is already holding in each position. Whenever parent ID is not matching to that each index number, then switch it.
Okay.
Then switch. Where to switch? Switch to child window. Switch to child window. How to switch to child window now? Driver dot switch to dot window. Instead of alert, what we say? Window. Which window you want to switch? Each window. Yes. Each is holding both parent and child. So that's what the condition we give. Whenever parent is not equal to child, then switch to it. After switching to that window, for my observation, let me ask tool to wait for few seconds, no problem. Then do some testing on it to get clarity. Click on sign up, something, do something, click on sign up. So Selenium, where it is doing now? Is it doing in child window or parent window?
Child window.
Child window, exactly. By dot xpath value dot click.
Dot click.
No problem. Okay. So right click where? In the child window, right click on the sign up link, inspect element. If it is link hyperlink, we can take hyperlink also, not a problem. Don't go with Selenium, open browser, go with manually. Don't try to inspect elements which is opened by Selenium. You open manually. Inspect it. Go to crow path and relay text path, link text task, parse link text or task, but two arguments. That was. Let us go with the relay text path, no problem. Selenium has to identify X path, Y path, E path. That's not a problem for us. After that, again, I want to come back to now the control is available. Where control is available to Selenium? Child window. Now I want to come back to my parent. Switch to parent. Again, I want to come back to my parent and I want to do some testing again.
Driver dot switch to.
So let me wait for your observation. Let me wait for 5 seconds. Driver dot
Switch
to dot
Window.
Window. Which window?
Parent
Parent.
window.
Parent window.
Parent window. After coming to parent window, suppose do something in the parent window. Enter first name, for example. Maybe something I want to enter first name just to show you whether it's interact in the window or not. Just do
Driver
that.
dot find element by ID.
Wait more seconds so that you get clarity. Observation is important. Driver dot find element by dot name value dot send keys, send your
Send key.
first name, whatever you want, send it. And finally, you can do a lot of things again. After that, you can do write the code, common code again. You know how to write the code. Just I want to show whether it's interacting or not. That is my interest. After coming back to parent window, what Selenium has to do? It has to enter first name. So handling multiple windows is also a very important topic nowadays, because you know most of the applications are like this. They're behaving this way. If they're opening in same window, no problem here, no issue. By default, Selenium will have control to same window. Observe now, all of you. Is it going to do this? Let us see. I don't know. This is basic. Then I'll show you. When you open naukri.com, automatically it opens some advertised windows, right? By default. That also I'll show you how to handle it. First, let us see whether this is going to handle it. Still, Selenium has control to parent. Still, Selenium has control to parent. Still, Selenium has control to parent. Now we give control to child window. This is child window. In this child window, if it's clicking sign up link, then we'll understand. Yes.
The control is true.
Yes. Now see that
Sure.
it's able to click or not. Now control is
Yes.
again. We asked back to parent window. Now again it came back to parent window. Again, it is inputting some data in this, like that. So when you want to switch among multiple windows, this is one of the best concepts we have to know. But still, we have to do differently. I'll show you tomorrow class again. Some more examples. Do you understand, all of you guys?
Yes.
Did you understand, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tomorrow we'll discuss some more using array concept. I'll show you. Very interesting. And then we'll move to next topic. Okay, na? Okay. Any questions for today? Yes, Priyanka. Yes, tomorrow we'll see some more. Wait. No more questions? Okay, see you tomorrow. Okay, bye-bye. See you guys. See you tomorrow.